Everything is designed. Few things are designed well. Brian Reed. Hello, intellects. You are highly welcome back to Insights for You today. I have some excellent and free apps you can use to create diagrams, flowcharts, and mind maps on your Android and iOS devices. An educator might need a flowchart to explain a complex process to students. A medical student might create an annotated human body figure for a peer-reviewed paper. A teacher may require a flowchart to help students understand a complicated process. Business professionals may use these apps too, but I am talking to you since I make content for students, researchers, and academics. Have you noticed that Android and iOS smartphones gradually replace most devices like calculators, computers, and tablets? Whatever the case, many of us use our mobile devices for research and writing. If you are one of those, keep watching because I will show you the 3 best apps to help you draw your charts, diagrams, or even mind maps on Android and iOS. Let us get to it now. The number 3 app to create diagrams flowcharts on Android and iOS is DrawExpress Diagram Lite. This app has many good reviews on the Play Store. DrawExpress Diagram enables you to make diagrams and flowcharts on your phone. Everything from flowcharts to mind maps to tree diagrams can be completed quickly and easily. You can organize your thoughts with this easy-to-use software. When it comes to the DrawExpress Diagram Lite app's capabilities, your ability to draw shapes is left to your imagination. In addition to allowing for easy diagram sharing and exporting to JPG, PNG, and XML, this app also features social sharing features like email sharing and manual movement shaping. This diagram creating app's most recent version works with nearly every Android device. The free version of DrawExpress Diagram Lite allows you to generate only 5 diagrams. The paid version removes all restrictions and enables you to make unlimited diagrams. Additionally, the text field now supports many languages, making it possible to create flowcharts and bar graphs. If I were you, I would check it out right after this video, as I have more excellent apps for creating flowcharts and diagrams to present to you. Some of them are free and fantastic. Kindly stay tuned. The number 2 app to create flowcharts and diagrams on your mobile devices is Flowchart. Flowchart is available on Android and iPhone. Flowchart is completely free. This online diagramming application makes it easy to create and share professional diagrams on your phone. There are several options available in this excellent app. You can create your flowcharts directly from scratch or use some of the numerous templates available. I will select this beautiful family tree template and edit it to suit my purposes. Let me know if you need tutorials on this app. Miro is my number 1 app for creating excellent diagrams, charts, and mind maps. With Miro, you can create mind maps, flowcharts, and any diagram from scratch on an endless canvas or start with one of the numerous templates. You can copy images from anywhere and add text and links to your work. Miro allows you to collaborate with people quickly and express yourself better. I love Miro because it is straightforward to use. The web version is even more remarkable. Productivity is at your fingertips with Miro. If you need a tutorial on using any top free diagram and flowchart creation tools, kindly let me know in the comments section below. Alright, intellects, let us draw the curtains here. Keep learning. See you next week. Bye.